Chapter 8. The World of Animals. Animals are found nearly everywhere on Earth. Some animals live in groups, while some live alone. Animals in groups. Some animals that like to live in groups are lions, wolves, birds, insects like termites, bees, ants and wasps, cows, deer, elephants, fish, bears, penguins, zebras, dolphins, monkeys, buffaloes, sheep, pigs, gorillas, killer whales, hyenas, bats, etc. Animals form groups for the following reasons: better protection against enemies, better care for their young ones, getting warmth from each other's bodies, managing food in times of illness, managing shelter, sense of belonging. Many animals do not interact with other members of their own species except during times of breeding. Leopard and some of the bears like polar bears are better adapted to living alone. Animals and their behavior. Animals like lizards, snails, squirrels, mice, elephants, cockroaches, rabbits, tortoise, earthworm and turtle are shy and do not come near humans. Whenever we go near them, they run away, go inside their shells or hide themselves somewhere. Animals like dogs, cats, elephants, dolphins, horses, cow, buffalo, etc. are friendly. They are not scared of humans. They can sense that we will not harm them. They become our friends easily if we pat or caress them or call them lovingly. Animals help each other. Just like human beings, animals have a very helpful and cooperative nature. They help each other in a number of ways. Small birds like egrets and oxpeckers sit on the bodies of cows, deer, elephants and buffaloes and eat the insects like ticks and fleas on their bodies. This cleans the body of the animals, and the birds get food as well. Remoras, a type of fish, ride on top of turtles and large fish. They feed on the leftover remains of the prey of these animals. They feed on the parasites found on the bodies of the host animal. Water decops eat insects that bother crocodiles. The plover flies into crocodile mouth and feeds on bits of decaying meat stuck in its teeth. The plover gets a meal and the crocodile gets its teeth cleaned. In the forest, animals like birds and monkeys warn deer, zebras, etc. of danger. They make different sounds to tell them that some wild animal is nearby. Animals are often seen playing with each other. Dogs and puppies play with cows. Human and animal interaction. Animals use humans in many ways. Spiders and lizards help us by eating away small insects like mosquitoes. Many insects birds are beneficial to farmers as they help control pests. Earthworms are considered farmers' friends as they help aerate the soil. Animals provide us with milk, eggs and meat. Animals give us fibers like silk and wool. Animals are used to help carry heavy items in hilly areas. Animals like dogs are used as guard dogs. They protect humans and their homes. Ears of animals. Animals have ears that vary in shape and size. Ears that can be seen on the body are called external ears, for example ears of horses, cows, etc. Ears which are inside the body and cannot be seen are called internal ears, for example ears of lizards, frogs, etc. They use their ears for different purposes. When the elephant senses a threat, its ears spread wide on each side of the head. They also flap their ears frequently to keep themselves cool. Foxes and bats use their big ears to escape from enemies and to catch their prey. The fox can detect the sound of termites chewing beneath the ground. It also uses its ears as radiators to get rid of body heat. The bat is the only mammal that flies. It flies at night and yet does not bump into anything. The squeak of a bat makes an echo. The echo helps the bat to know how far a thing is. A polar bear has small nubs for ears. It completely closes its ears while swimming to keep the water out. Birds do not have outer ears, they have two holes instead. Having no outer ears, birds can fly easily. Owls have very sharp ears. They can hear the faintest of sounds, like the fall of a leaf at a distance. Snakes do not have ears. They hear through vibrations on the ground. Frogs and beluga whales use their ears for communicating. Bees, the honey makers. Honeybees live in hives. A beehive is also called an apiary. Honey is a sweet, thick sugary solution made by bees. The process of making honey. The first step in making honey begins when field bees fly from flower to flower collecting the sweet juices or nectar that a flower provides. They use their long, tube-like tongues like straws to suck the nectar out of the flowers and they store it in their honey stomachs. Bees actually have two stomachs. The honey stomach, which they use like a nectar backpack, and the regular stomach. The honey stomach holds almost 70 mg of nectar and when full, it weighs almost as much as the bee does. Honeybees must visit between 100 and 1,500 flowers in order to fill their honey stomachs. The honeybees return to the hive and pass the nectar on to other worker bees. These bees suck the nectar from the honeybee's stomach through their mouths. The bees then spread the nectar throughout the cells of the hive, which are known as honeycombs. The cells are sealed with wax produced by the bees' bodies. After a few days, this nectar turns into honey. Honey collectors collect honey from the beehive. They light a fire under the beehive. The smoke and heat drives away all the bees from the hive. The hive is then removed and honey is extracted from it. Body coverings. Just like human beings have skin, animals have different body coverings. The body coverings help the animals adjust to the climatic changes in a particular place. Let us see what kind of body coverings different animals have. Some animals have very little hair on their skin, like lions, deer, camels, zebra, etc. This helps them to live in the hot areas. Birds have feathers on their bodies that help them to fly and to keep warm. Fish, tortoise, crocodiles, chameleons and snakes have scales on their bodies. The scales protect the animal and prevent water loss from the body. Animals like yak and polar bear have thick hair on their bodies called fur. It keeps them warm in winters and in the cold polar regions. Amphibians like frogs and toads have a loose, moist skin which helps them to adjust to their water habitat. Animals living in very cold habitats have a thick layer of fat under their skin. The whales, dolphins, polar bears, and penguins keep their bodies warm with the help of the fat under their skin. Protection gear of animals. Many animals have certain physical characteristics that protect them from their enemies. Here are some examples showing how different animals guard themselves against their enemies. A pangolin or a hedgehog rolls up into a ball-like shape to protect itself. Besides, it has hard scales as its special characteristic to protect itself. Porcupines, porcupine fish and starfish have spines on the surface of their body. The spines can injure enemies that go near or attack these animals. Centipedes, cobras, wasps and scorpions can defend themselves from their enemies by using their poison or sting. The chameleon can change its skin color to match the color of its surroundings. For example, the color of a tree trunk. This helps it to hide from its enemies. The bodies of garden snails, clams, crabs and tortoises are covered by a hard shell. The shells help them to protect themselves from their enemies. Beetles and millipedes pretend to be dead when they are attacked or threatened. Word bank. Interact, mix up. Bother, disturb. Befriend, make friends with. Pests, destructive insects. Squeak, the sound made by a bat. Aerate, introduce air into liquid. Species, a group of similar living organisms. Breeding, the mating and production of offspring by animals. Radiators, things that emit light, sound or heat. Caress, to touch something gently. In a nutshell, while some animals are friendly with humans, some animals are timid and shy. Like humans, animals also help each other in several ways. Animals and humans benefit from each other. Animals have different types of ears. Some animals do not have ears. Hair, scales and feathers are some of the body coverings found in animals. Animals protect themselves in different ways from their enemies. Bees make honey by sucking nectar from flowers.